1800 RPM right there. What I'm hoping is that when you spin it, it catches then and continues to run.
Compression it has.